Linear systems. In how many ways can a pair of lines intersect? Well, this is a very basic question on linear systems, and here I will take an opportunity to explain you about linear systems. So, in how many ways can a pair of lines intersect? There are actually a couple of possibilities, and let's look into these possibilities. One way is that there are two lines which have different slope. Let's say this is one line, right? And this is some other line. So any two lines with different slopes will always intersect at one point. So number of intersections are 1, right? So we have, in how many ways can pairs of lines intersect? So they have one point of intersection. And what is the primary condition here? That's different slopes. This is the primary condition. Okay. Now, if the slopes are not different, that means the slopes are same. So in that case, we have two scenarios. So these two scenarios are for same slope. Now if they have same slope, then let's say this is one line and the other line is kind of like this, right? Let's assume that their slopes are same, right? So what we are indicating is, we are indicating that the lines are parallel, like this. So if we have parallel lines, same slope, and they don't intersect, then we say that no solution, or they don't intersect. That means these lines are parallel lines, right? And they have same slope. So what is different about them? The different about them is the y-intercept. So it is same slope but different y-intercept. So that's critical, different y-intercept. And on the other hand, we can have lines which have same slope and same y-intercept. So we have same slope here. So we have same y-intercept. And we have same slope. So basically the lines are same. So we have how many points of intersection in this case? In this case, we have infinite points of intersection, because the lines, they intersect at each and every point, you see. So we basically have three scenarios, correct? So if I have to write the equation of the line, then in this case, let's say the equation of the line, the two lines is let's say we have equation of the line as y1, y equals to, let's say y equals to m1 x plus b1, and we have y equals to m2 x plus b2. Let us say we have these two different lines, right? In that case, here what do we have? Here we can write our solution as they are intersecting. That means we have m1 is not equal to m2, correct? In this particular case, we have m1 equals to m2. Well, here when m1 and m2 are not same, then they will always intersect. if they are same, then there could be two conditions. So let's have these two conditions, right? So m1 equals to m2. There are two conditions. In one case, b1 is different from b2. So here, b1 is not equal to b2. But in this case, we have b1 also equals to b2. That means y-intercept is also same. So if the slopes are same, but if y-intercepts are different, then we have parallel lines and no point of intersection, 0 point of intersection. None of them intersects any point. But if we have the same y-intercept and same slope, then the lines are overlapping and they intersect at infinite number of points. Correct? So these are the three different scenarios for a linear system. Okay? And based on this, we'll have so many questions following it, and they will help you to understand the concept.